Vanakkam, I am Vino Rayen, your native Tamil tutor from Tamil Nadu, India. Today, we will learn 5 essential Tamil greetings used every day by millions of people worldwide. Let us begin this journey together. Are you ready? Let us go. These greetings are used by over 80 million people from India to Singapore and the USA. For the best results, please repeat each word clearly after me. Let us start our lesson now. Greeting number one. Good morning. In Tamil, we say Kaalai Vanakkam. Let's say it together. Kaalai Vanakkam. It literally means morning greetings. For example, Kaalai Vanakkam Amma. Good morning, mother. Kaalai Vanakkam. Good morning, mother. Greeting number two. Good evening. In Tamil, this is Maalai Vanakkam. Repeat with me. Maalai Vanakkam. Remember, Kaalai is morning and Maalai is evening. Example, Maalai Vanakkam Appa. Good evening, Father. Greeting number three. How are you? In a respectful way, we ask, Eppadi irukkinga? Say it slowly. Eppadi irukkinga? It literally means, how are you being? Let us try. நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Greeting number four. I am fine. If someone asks how you are, reply Nalamaga, irukkren. Let us practice. Nalamaga, irukkren. Together, Nandri. நான் நலமாக இருக்கிறேன். Thank you. I am fine. Greeting number five. Thank you. This beautiful ancient word is Nandri. Say it with heart. Nandri. To say thank you very much, we say Romba Nandri. One more time. Nandri. Let us revise all five. 1. Kaalai Vanakkam. Good morning. 2. Maalai Vanakkam. Good evening. 3. Eppadi irukkinga? How are you? 4. Nalamaga irukkren. I am fine. 5. Nandri. Thank you. Excellent work today. Mikka Nandri for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want to learn personally with me, find my Preply link in the description or visit yoga-aid.com. Please like, subscribe and share.